Hi there, my name is Esther Nariyoshi. I am a surface pattern designer and illustrator. I love working with vector graphics. It's super dynamic and flexible, and there's no such thing as pixelation in vector graphics. You can create your art in whatever size and will never lose the line quality, even when the final export is 10 times larger. However, there is a problem with vector graphics. They can appear to be really flat. That's what this class is about. We're going to take a deep dive into Adobe Illustrator to find out ways of creating native textures from scratch. But I want to warn you ahead of time, because this class is going to take some commitment. We're going to cover a lot of ground in one class. We will take some basic geometric food illustrations and take them to the next level by creating native texture brushes, playing with built-in effects, and much more. You may or may not end up with some ice cream at the end, and maybe memorizing 20 keyboard shortcuts along the way. This class is best for someone who has just a little bit of experience with Illustrator. If you're looking to up your Illustrator game, this is the class for you.